Hi, this is John from JPC Plumbing and Heating. I'm here to do a tool review for Tool Talk on the Monument 1315 XVE 15mm copper pipe bender. So straight out the box you get the pipe bender, a Velcro strap for storage, 2 extension bars that easily screw into the end of the bender to make pulling a bend just that little bit easier, and obviously the instructions. First impressions is it's lightweight relative to your conventional combi bender. Feels well made, nice and solid, easy to pull a bend. You just place copper pipe in, connect the second part to it, and then bend away. As I say, it has its advantages. Has some markings for set bends already put in the guide. The former itself is in situ, so you don't have a chance of losing that. As it is, without the extensions, 15mm pipe, easy to bend really. I guess the extensions will come in handy if you've got a lot of pipe bending to do. But yeah, I'll probably put them on once you get onto site. The pipe bend itself, pretty neat. No rippling as such on the pipes I've done so far. A disadvantage is that the 15mm pipe copper pipe bender does what it says. It'll only bend 15mm pipe, and to do 22mm pipe you'd have to buy a second pipe bender. To me, that's not an aspect that would stop me buying the 22. But since I've got a combination bender, I'll probably still keep that handy to do 22mm pipe work, and I'd probably use this as my first port of call for jobs. Take it in. It's just the right size to fit into your toolbox. So it's lightweight, so it's not going to add too much to your actual bag. Overall, quite impressed with it. I'd definitely recommend it for anyone who's looking out for a new pipe bender or to replace an old one. And yeah, it's a good piece of kit. I would think it will be very useful to anyone who's established or as an apprentice. Just like to thank Tool Talk for the opportunity to test these and give you a review, and hope you found it useful. Thank you.